In this video, I'm going to show you my favorite thing about Gemini, and that is the fact that it has the ability to transcribe. So you literally can just upload an audio to Gemini and ask it to transcribe it, and it will do it in almost few seconds or even split seconds. So to do that, first thing you want to do is just click on this plus button here. It's really straightforward. Upload files. I've prepared a document. We could use a file. So just click on this file here. While it's uploading, I'm just going to type in my prompt, say transcribe the attached audio. So we click on submit. So I'm just going to submit my prompt and let's see what happens. Gemini will do the magic analyzing. Okay. Yeah, and that is it in just split seconds. This is short, but it can actually handle longer audios. I use it a lot of time. GPT cannot actually do this. I've tried it. So what you want to do now is that once you're done transcribing, if you want to confirm that it's accurate, of course it will always be accurate. I mean, I trust Gemini. But then again, if you want to make sure it's accurate, just play the audio alongside while you read. So I'm just going to play this audio now, and then I'm going to read it. While it's reading, I'm going to
Top
read the answer.
116 success quotes that will motivate you. We all need a little motivation every now and again. So I've compiled a list of my 116 favorite motivational success related quotes. If you're feeling the pressure and you feel like giving up, have a read through this to refresh your mindset, and remember, it's always darkest before the dawn. If you don't give up, no matter how tough things get, persevere and you will achieve. The light will come, no matter how far away it seems.
There you have it. Gemini does the magic over and over. So now I think you can actually transcribe any of your audio if you want to, instead of paying people to do it or paying for expensive software. You can just do this. It's all free. You can transcribe as much audios as you want. That's the beautiful thing about Google Gemini. So I hope you found value in this video. If you did, consider subscribing, like, and share as well. Thank you, and see you in the next one.